Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel, Quick Solvers. Here I want to find x and y, where x minus 10 times y plus 10 equals 475, x plus y equals 100, and x and y both are positive. The difficulty level for this question is medium, as is shown by this color here, and it's a good question for those preparing for SAT and ACT. Let's dive in. Well, generally, when we have such a questions, when we have two equality with two unknowns, we should try to write one of the equalities in terms of only one unknown. And for that, we should start with the other equality and rewrite the expression or rewrite one of the unknowns in terms of the other one. So here I can rewrite x in terms of y, and that means taking y to the right side of the equality. That means x equals 100 minus y. Okay, now I can substitute that x here by 100 minus y. If I do that, then this equals 100 minus y, oops, 100 minus y minus 10 times y plus 10 equals 475. So here you see that the whole expression here, this equality, is just based on one unknown, and that's y. And by this I'm trying to somehow isolate y and find what is the value of y. If I can find what is y, I can replace it here and then find what is x, and then we are done. Alright, so okay, now we see that here we have 100 and we have a minus 10, so these two leave us with 90. So maybe I can rewrite this as a 90 minus y. Okay, this is simpler even. Okay, so I rewrite it as 90 minus y. So we have 90 minus y times y plus 10. So in the next step, I will distribute this expression here to the expression on the right. For that, I need to multiply this 90 to y, and then multiply it to 10, then multiply this minus y to y, and multiply this minus y to 10. Then we will get 90 times y plus 900 minus y squared minus 10 times y. This equals 475. I can also take this 475 to the left, try to kind of simplify that with this 900, and then we would have 0 in the right. Okay, so this equals, or I can write it here, this equals, if I take this 475 to the left, its sign will change to minus 475, and then we have 0 on the right side of the equality sign. Okay, now we see this y squared. Okay, we can just rewrite this as minus y squared. And then we have this minus 10 times y, and then this 90 times y. Then this leaves us with 80 times y. And then we have this 900 and this minus 400 times 75, which is 425 equals 0. Now I can find this is a quadratic equation, so I can use quadratic formula. I can rewrite this in the form of y squared plus b times y plus c equals 0, and then use quadratic formula to find what is y. And for that I should use this minus b plus minus a square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a. And then here a is minus 1, this is a, b is this plus 80, and c is this 425. Okay, then I just need to replace the numbers here and calculate this. But in this case, maybe we can do it, maybe a simple trick. And that means here, if you look at the numbers that we have here, uh, yeah, we have 80 and we have 425. We know that this 425, we can write it as 5 times 85. And we can rewrite this 80 as 85 minus 5. Okay, so let me write it here. This 80 is 85 minus 5, and this 425 is 85 times 5. And this is telling me that I can rewrite this as 85 minus y times 5 plus y. Okay. Okay, I can rewrite this expression in this format. And this is saying that okay, this equals 0. That means either the first part or either the second part is 0. If the first part is 0, if the first term is 0, here we can conclude that y equals 85. And if the second expression is 0, second term is 0, then it means y equals minus 5. Alright? But we saw that both x and y are positive. That means y cannot be minus 5. Y is 85. Now we have y. By replacing y here, we can find x. Okay, this is saying that x equals 100 minus y, which is 85. That means x equals 15. So we found both x and y.